So that's gonna be my little side marker install video. Really quick, I'm just gonna run over how I set this up so that it'll be right about here. Not too worried about, you'll notice where the molding ends right there. I got 1.5 inch tape, ran it along the bottom, perfectly flush with the molding, so that way I know it's level. Then I went right here, I started flush right here, and then as it goes, you can see that it gets wider. That's to keep this 90-degree angle perfectly flush. And then I pretended that my clip was gonna go there, and then I set a piece of tape right there. So now I got my width, and then in order to get my depth here, like that. Double checked, made sure it fit on this side. Got it. So yeah, just doubled that. So now I'm just gonna cut these out, and then this will just clip right in. That's it. Super easy install. These just happen to be brand new fenders. If you didn't have fenders, brand new fenders, then you'd have to take off bolt, 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 bolt. A couple of bolts there, bunch of trim clips here. Yeah. Or you can do it right on the car, which is like how I did it last time. But you still gotta take it off to run wires, so you might as well just take it off. So, yep, there it is. I'll show you an after as well. Alright, so they're all cut out. It's got these little squares, what's left here. Did it all pretty much in one hit. I was lucky enough, well, I'm not lucky enough, I went down and bought the expensive nice ones, so it was super easy. Just hit it in the center, went there, went back, hit it in the center, went there, went back, and then I just hit it in the center until it just kind of got to like right there, and then I stopped. Which will be covered up anyways by the thing. So, speaking of which, moment of truth, I guess. Is it supposed to go backwards? So, let me get the wires on. By the miracles of editing. Oh wait, I don't have an editor. Never mind. Someday maybe I'll have an editor. Miracle. Alright, so this guy clips in like such. This guy clips in like oh, it looks a little tight. I'm gonna go ahead and take a 1/4 inch off the back side just to make sure, because I want to be able to get it off too. Because I still have to paint these, so I'll be back in a second. Alright, so got those guys on there. What I did was, you can see right here, just backed it off. Trying to get my camera to focus on the foreground here. Anyways, right there. It still doesn't like it. Whatever. You can see I pulled a 1/4 inch off the back right here. Not 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch. And that is good on both sides there. So yeah, that'll look perfect. Yeah, now it's off to the paint. Off to the paint shop, which is my backyard. So yeah, that'll be going on there. Check out the rest of my videos. It'll be after number 31. Yeah, after number 31. After number 30, and you'll be able to see it.